Suppose if you open Microsoft Word and if you press this 2, you can see that this is the digit 2 or number 2, and if you want to make this 2 upside down, then you can use a shortcut method. For doing this, you must first turn on the number lock. So suppose if your number lock is off, you must turn on number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 8586. So after typing 8586, you can release your finger from this alt key. And now you can see that we have created a symbol like this. That's the number 2 have become upside down. So you can look here. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.